The game started? Yeah. Alright, let's go. Shit. Oh my god. Jersey.
Don't be a bitch.
Repeat.
If you get called, you can repeat. You got calls or something?
10-4, huh?
Follow you? What game are we playing? Is there a game? What game are we playing? Combination?
This is Miami.
So are we flanking right? You got comms. Are we flanking right?
Huh?
Are we flanking right?
I guess so, yeah.
You got comms. I don't know. Who you fucking talking to?
We're talking. I'm not sure. Hang on.
Call it.
Miami, what's your location? Miami, what's your location? Miami, flanking right or left?
Hold on. We got comms.
They're middle.
It's a long game, everybody. Pace yourself.
Alright, so, now, in retro, what is middle?
I guess right there.
This is middle.
Yeah, right here. All this area, no woods.
Alright, so they are pushing middle? How about we take the side exit to the woods and we come around?
Alright, yeah.
Hey, I call you. We're gonna...
Look right, alright, let's go.
Yo, let him go.
10-4.
Go ahead, lead the way.
What are you thinking, fence line?
I'm thinking fence line, yes.
Roger that. I was wondering if you...
That's what I did last time.
We're flanking right side. Are we clear?
That's all of us.
We're good.
Let's keep moving this way.
Keep moving, guys. Keep moving. Hold them off. We're on the right flank. We're pushing in. Miami, get our 6 on the right flank. Miami, watch us on the right flank. Watch our 6. RP, watch our 6. Yeah, SEAL Team 6 right here. Tank to Miami. Fox to Miami. Fox Miami.
On space.
How's middle looking? That's them. Is that friendlies?
Those are friendlies.
Friendlies.
I'm going to tell you now, when we get in the tree line, we are going to hit contact.
Alright, come forward. We're going to the left tree line right now. How's it looking in the middle?
Radio silent. Radio silence.
How many is it? Alright. You four? Or yeah, you. Me on this spot.
No, it's on.
Closer to the
Really low
trail,
though.
but just
Second
so
camera
you
move.
guys can keep an eye. We're gonna move in a little deeper, just in case they're a little further in. We'll take care of them. Alright?
Alright, we'll just stay on this tree line.
Eddie, you and me, and you guys just move down this way. We'll move parallel, but we'll be deeper in, so we can check out the deepest, and you guys can check out you can left on that.
Alright, yeah. Sounds good.
Guys, none of you guys have closed mics. Stay off the mic. If you guys have mics give us away, we're fucking dead in here.
Alright, yeah. SEAL Team 6. What do you mean? Bring my pistol down. Let's move it here. Fox Miami, we're pushing up on the right flank, left flank. Huh. How'd you feel? I'm trying to plug them out. We'll find a way. Follow me. Oh man, ow. Thorns. Ow, ow. Contact! Pull back! Get down! I see one right there. North or south? Contact on the right flank. There's people coming under here. what they can do.
Light off, light.
We're at. North or south? No, me too. I have to unplug my mask. I got like 2. Contact on the right. North. They said they're north. Or no, they're south. Sorry. I was on the north. Yeah. Yeah, after me. Hang on. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, contact on the left. Contact on the left. Hard left. Hard left. Behind us. Right over here. Me? Stand past. Yeah. What? Want to pull back? Huh? Hey. Over here, over here. Do not engage. Do not engage. Engage on me. I'm not sure. Outside. Behind us. go down. Hit, 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 hit! Hit! North. Are you north or south? Oh, good game, man. Or good battle. Fox, tank. Fox to tank. Fox to tank. Damn, man. Oh. Fox to tank. Fox to tank over. North, hit, hit. I'm hit. I'm hit. I'm north. Are you guys south or north? North, south. Two. There's. No, they're north. Hey, we got south guys coming right back here. This is a respawn right here. Where at?
Over dirt trail.
Yeah.
It leads you right to a fortress. Try that.
Oh, you got contact right here. Just saying, there's some south guys following us. No clue. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Anybody on EPC on here? Miami. I'm walking back to spawn. I got hit. Oh, I'm with tank here. Chase! Chase! Turn on your radio! Tank. Tank. I need your radio on. Alright, I need my...
That's not pretty at all.
I got shit up there. Trucker James is here to get his order. Tank, where are they?
I heard a gun over there. I just didn't see him until I got shot at.
I got 2 people in the tree line, so.
Yeah,
No, I killed him. There's still more.
Hey, tree line clear? That tree line is.
Oh shit, watch out. Back off. Flank around this building right here. See if we can... Oh, impressive. Damn. No. No, man.
You know, I would, but there's a big call.
Right here. Contact where? Tree line? Oh my god, hang on. I got green gas. Can you hold my pistol real quick? Just for a second. For a minute.
Over here.
Yeah, green gas.
Yeah.
There's contact right here. Okay, I see one, hang on. No, it's good. I just need something I could... Cover me, I'm reloading. Huh. You got contact? 10-4, this is Fox. 10-4, this is Fox. I know, man. my god. Oh my god. Dude, this rain is getting on my freaking, on my nerves here. No. I'm gonna try to get my pistol out. Let's go into the city right here. Engage. Engaging on the left. Tree line. We're backing up.
No, I got hit, so.
That's my buddy. Alright man, I'm gonna sit in here for a minute. We can spawn here because we have this controlled. Yeah, we have this controlled, so we can spawn here. We're with the squad here. I'm with Chase. Tank. We're under heavy fire. I'm in the building. Get in. You better go get it. I got you, man. Alright, go. Go. Yep, I do. Reloading for me. Give me a minute and I'll strap him, alright? Strobing. Watch out, Chase. Oh, shit. Got one. We get contact in these woods. We're trying to hold down this box right here. Keep on looking. Go get it. Oh man. Alright, I'm reloading. You're north, right?
Yeah.
You got north with you, or?
No.
There's a...
So this is what's happening over there. I can tell you what's happening. The Polish stores, there's a group of Polish stores over there. They're trying to come in, but we're not letting them. So
good,
now
keep it up.
there with this rain. Because I went around there and killed like 2 of them. Until I ran out of ammo, so I stopped shooting at them. So it's not until I'm not out of ammo. So, just because I did move. Yeah. I am. The bottom.
Diablo. I need to lube this thing when I get home. Wait, hang on. I think it said game over. Is it game over or no?
Yo, Blitz, it's game over.
Game's over. Good. Fox all units, game over. Good game, guys. Woo! Ten four. Ten four. 10-4. Damn. Trying to hit the damn button. Oh, damn. That was a good game. I have this all on footage.